Okay, these are the hose clamps I was talking about. These little fucking things right here, right? That's a fair size one there, 1 inch. But these little guys, these little tiny bastards, they love to scratch your fucking arms open, poke you in the thumb, put a puncture in your fingertip. They're great. I love them, you know? Like, I love them so much I'd shoot a video giving advice on a 2.3 liter Isuzu engine when in fact I'm actually sitting in front of a 2.6 liter. But yeah, stainless steel, that might be the way to go, huh? Right on. So yeah, that's one of my favorite things to do. Totally replace everything under the hood with a stainless steel. I mean, right down to the fender bolts. But these hose clamps, these are functional. You know, it's definitely something that I want to do. Just spend 20 bucks on a bunch of tiny little hose clamps that are stainless steel. They're gonna last longer than you, right? These things are garbage.